Hello, this is JS Danware. Today I'd like to demo how to build GPS routes and point shapefile. Nowadays, smartphones are getting popular, and the smartphone with GPS chips are also used to record location information. First, let's take a look at some of the GPS data which were collected by using smartphones. Here, I can use the catalog to view the GPS data which are recorded by smartphone and sent to the SD database. You see, this GPS data has timestamp and latitude, longitude, and also have operators and vehicle ID. And vehicle ID actually is a smartphone device's ID. So, but this raw GPS data, you cannot get much useful information. But after we processed it, you can get a very good information. So here, first let's log in. This is the application I developed by using Visual Studio 2010 with ArcObjects. First, we log into the SD database. We log in and then we select a query method. And today I just like to demo this first module. This is a form. It's a query units, vehicles, day and time range form. So we give a time, and we can query during this time how many vehicles were working outside. So for example, I select this vehicle ID 305, and then we can get this vehicle was working on those days. And let me check one day. When you select this day, it will show you when this vehicle started to work and when it finished its work. So we can check that progress, how many hours this vehicle was working on that day. So now we also know how many GPS data was sent to the server. And then we build this, and we find who was operating this vehicle. When we query all the information, it will automatically fill this lower part, and we just need to click build routes and build points. It will automatically build the GPS shapefile for us. So this is just the build. So add this to ESRI ArcMap, and we can find all the route. So let's zoom to the whole area. Let's zoom to this layer. You can see this vehicle on this day was working on those roads, and you can get the detailed information when it was working towards. For example, you can check it one point by one point, and So this is the application I built by using ArcObjects to process GPS data. So it is very easy. After the GPS data was processed, you can get useful information. You can know work progress. You can do the vehicle tracking and asset mapping. This information can help, for example, public work departments collect data from field workers and check progress on work orders, and better utilize of work crews each day, tracking and manage vehicle and collect and share information with managers and other departments and citizens, and make work crews work more efficiently and enhance safety in community and make fast decisions. Now, I'd like to give a short introduction how I built this application. As I said, I use Visual Studio and ArcObjects, ESRI ArcObjects. So first, I create a login form, and then I select a query form, and use this query form. I just build and query those information and fill those drop down box, and here, yeah, this is processed automatic field field units by just the SQL query to query the GPS data. That should be easy because the GPS data have timestamp, have vehicle ID, and you can query the information you want and just fill that form. After you create that form, and here I'd like to say the most important part is here you need to build the routes. So here I have a subroutine. This is a helper file I created to just create the GPS route, and or you can call line file. Actually, it uses the latitude and longitude and 1 point by 1 point, and you can build a line file, shapefile. And here you can same thing. You can build a point file because you have latitude and longitude. That actually is a point, because you can use the ESRI ArcObjects API to do that, and that can be those technology and some example you can find on the line. But if you are not familiar with it, and you can always get back to me. I can give you some help and to help you how to do that. And so because I created this application, I think because smartphone is becoming popular and GPS data is are everywhere, so you can use this GPS data and find useful information. So that's what I want to demo today. And thank you very much for your watching. Have a good day. See you next time.